Hello YouTube, this is Syra. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to disable screen overlay on your Techno W2. For this case, I'm working on a W2. So, if you try to go in setting in any other app, for this case, I want to try File Manager. I would like to transfer something. It's showing screen overlay detected. I don't know where the problem comes from. I try on Garally, I do the same. It's saying the same thing. So, for this case, I tap on settings, I go on apps, then I tap on this app logo, settings logo, then it's showing me draw overlay other apps. So for this case, I'm going to disable this. It's called the hotkey. Then you disable it because it's the one causing the screen overlay on my apps. So if I try to go on File Manager, I allow and see it's passing. If I try to go on Garally, I tap on it, it goes through. So which means the other app called OK, it was the one causing problem on my phone. So thanks for watching. If this video has been helpful, please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Goodbye.